Let's say this week's theme is isolation.
Challenge accepted. What is good, fam? Hope you're having an awesome day today. Hope you're doing well and hope you're staying safe from, because honestly, it sounds like it's a terrible, terrible sickness. I do not want to get this thing, so I've been in quarantine for about 17 days. I have not left my house. I'm going crazy. I don't know what to do. I found this purple light. I'm having some fun. I've also been watching like a frick ton of videos, and March 31st, 2020, Peter Mckinnon, who is an awesome like photographer, videographer, and overall inspiring YouTuber, uploaded an awesome video titled "Calling All Photographers a Simple Challenge." And in this video, he pretty much challenged anyone who's a wannabe photographer, somebody trying to learn photography. The challenge is gonna change from week to week, and in this week's challenge, it's all about the theme of isolation. During this quarantine time, I want to take this photo challenge and do it. Along with that, I want to take it a step further and make a video out of it because I want to see the process from my own perspective, and I want to see how I can grow and learn from that process. The final product is going to actually be on my Instagram, which is live right now. If you want to hit that link down below, you can see the final picture if that's just what you're in for, and you don't want to see this really cool video of how I went and did the entire process of it. Okay, so before we go into the shoot, I kind of want to talk gear. I'm a gearhead, I love gear. So I'm going to be using the Sony A7, the Mark I. And I call it the Mark I because it's the very first version of the Sony A7 line. It's from 2013. I actually did a whole unboxing of this camera when I got it, which you can check out. It should be in the top section over here. There should be a card that pops out. This is a beautiful camera, and I'm actually planning on doing a review of this camera very, very soon, so stay tuned for that. Along with that, I'm gonna be using the Minolta 50mm f1.7. This is honestly a beautiful, beautiful lens. And for me personally, I got this for like $20. It is a steal of a lens, which I want to do a whole like lens review, kind of show some sample images and whatnot from this lens. So if you want to see that, please let me know down in the comment section below. But it's going to be a really interesting shoot, and I kind of want to just get right into it. Alright, so I've decided to use my family's living room because I kind of feel like when it comes down to isolation, I feel like isolation is like a room where everybody congregates all the time and is suddenly empty because you're isolated from the world and you're not able to go places where everybody else kind of goes, like school, for example, or like a coffee shop. You're not able to anymore because of freaking isolation. So that's why I've kind of used this. And yeah, so I've also got my sister Bella. She's going to be the main subject of the thing. She's behind the camera. So she's gonna be doing that, and let's kind of just get right into shooting. So after like an hour or an hour and a half of shooting, I felt like I actually had a shot that I could work with. I was like, okay, this feels really nice. And I learned a lot through this. Like, I wasn't expecting the color that I actually ended up using to actually work with the idea that I had. It was really interesting to see that sometimes the concept that you have originally really doesn't turn out the way that you expect it to turn out. So that was really cool, and I learned so much from that like hour and a half of just actually doing it. Okay, so it is now the next day, and well, I had a good sleep. It's actually the next night, considering it's about 8:30 the next evening. And so we're gonna start by popping these into Lightroom, kind of putting them in, seeing how it works, and kind of picking the ones out that kind of look the best. Okay, so after like a good hour and a half, 2 hours of editing in Lightroom and Photoshop, I've determined that one, I like Photoshop much better. That's just because I don't know Lightroom well enough yet. But two, I feel like this final product turned out pretty well and a little bit better than I was expecting. I know I have so much to learn, but like, this is kind of what I'm kind of going for. All right, let me get a drum roll, please. What do you think? Let me know down in the comment section below what you think of the photo, or let me know on Instagram. Tell me what I can do to improve, to learn, to be better at this entire thing. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a big like down below. That really helps out with me and the YouTube algorithm, kind of getting people to see the video, and it really would mean a lot to me if you did like and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below what I should do to continue growing in the photography end of things. Peter Mckinnon, looking forward to next week's challenge, if you even watch this video. Yeah. Okay, it's your boy Anthony. I'm out. I'll see you next time. Bye.